Alright guys, you're welcome back to FinTech Space, and in this video I'll be taking you through how you can claim your rewards. That is actually for Pixelverse early adopters, people that actually came in early and also they were able to also increase their level. So those are the people that are actually claiming their rewards right now, while everyone else will be able to claim the normal regular rewards in the next few days. That will be on the 25th of July, if I'm correct, for every one of us to claim what we've actually earned. But right now, what is available now is for early adopters and also based on the level in which you were. So, all right, guys. So I'm going to click here. You can see Pixelverse is here. Get your token. So I'm going to click on claim. So I am on the based on my level, I'm in level 5 to 6. So I just moved to 6 before the last day. So and I got the rare NFT. So and then the countdown is I must have claimed before this time elapses or it gets to 0. So now I'm going to click on the next step. So it's showing me what I'm going to get. So this is what I've gotten based on the level in which I am and based on the NFT in which I am able to claim. So now I'm going to click on claim PixFi. I'm going to click on claim PixFi. So if I click on claim PixFi, now it's asking me that I insert my non-custodial wallet. Non-custodial in the sense that what you are the one in charge of the wallet. It's not an exchange. Nobody has access to the wallet except you and you alone. So what are you going to do right now? Go to either of your MetaMask, Bitget wallet, OKX wallet, Web3 and stuff like that, wherever wallet address you've submitted in the process of you updating your profile on the PixelTap app, just copy and paste it here. So just copy and paste it here. So then you click on yes, I entered non-custodial wallet. All right, guys. So let me just get my wallet address. So I've already pasted the wallet. I've already pasted it here. So and then I've clicked on yes, I entered non-custodial wallet. So now I'm going to click on claim PixFi. So you don't have to pay gas fee. It will automatically send it to your wallet address. It automatically send it to your wallet address. All right. So click on claim PixFi. Claim PixFi. So, all right, it says congrats, your PixFi are in dashboard. So connect this wallet to your dashboard for your coins, and it will be displayed in the staking session. It will be displayed in the staking session. So now you can click on go to staking. So that is if you want to stake it, but I will actually advise that you stake it because you never can tell other rewards that will be coming with it, and that is actually best advice you get that you can take right now. So click on go to staking. Go to staking just as you have it here. So it's loading my wallet. So it's asking that I should connect my wallet. So it's asking I should connect my wallet. So depending on whichever wallet you've connected, whichever one, as long as it's still the same wallet that you withdrew out from, you don't have any issue. So I'm going to use MetaMask in this case, although I used Bybit on the website, but it doesn't matter. It's still the same wallet that you've actually connected. So I'm going to click on connect MetaMask. So it's going to give you a pop-up if you're using Mixis browser or Kiwi browser or other browsers that you can actually set up some extension on. So all right, so next. Okay, so let me go back. So say you should sign, and then you switch your network to Ethereum mainnet. Okay, so let's go back to the website. All right, now I have it here. So you can see my staked tokens is here, 230 PixFi, and you can see some other information: drop ticket, community incentive pool, 6.5 million PixFi. So if you just scroll through, you see some other information. So just as you have it here, so it's has already staked for me already. So you have a 230 PixFi, so that is there. So if you have some other ones that you actually feel like you want to stake also, you can also put it there. So you can just type in here whatever one that you want to stake, whatever amount, depending on what you have. So if you have 250, just type it there. It's we actually ask you to confirm from your wallet. Do you get it? So that is if you've purchased other PixFi from the exchanges when it was listed. Do you get it? So I'm just trying this out to show you what I have here. So you can see from my balance is just zero PixFi. So insufficient funds for gas fee, and also I don't have any PixFi here at all. So you get it. So automatically it has already staked my balance for me. Do you get it? So alright guys, so I think that is all for this video, and stay tuned for much more information. So, and I'll be making new videos when it's the time for every one of us to actually claim our tokens. Until next time, this is FinTech Space with Teambees. Do have a lovely time and enjoy your day. Bye for now.